guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So today I want to show you how I do my completely beginner friendly, we are not professionals here, we are just doing our makeup for fun. This is my beginner friendly, super easy glam, I guess you can call it. I don't know if it's really a glam because it's not really like cake face, but it's quite subtle and cute. So I thought I would just show you how I do my makeup. I already have on a little bit of SPF, but I like to apply a mattifying primer because I have oily skin. On a really rare occasion, I do use milk of magnesia because, guys, it really helps if you have oily skin and you're applying makeup, but I don't do that too often. So after I prime my face, I move on to my eyebrows. And I like to use any sort of gel or eyebrow pomade. This is actually gel eyeliner but in a brown shade, so I use it for my eyebrows and it works perfectly fine for me. Luckily on this day I made sure that my eyebrows were freshly tweezed because it makes doing your eyebrows so much easier. So make sure that your eyebrows are tweezed or waxed. Okay, so once I am happy with my eyebrow shape, I go in to conceal them. This is actually a foundation that I got from Primark. And there it goes, embarrassing me. But in general, yes, I do like using this foundation for my eyebrows. I find that foundation for my eyebrows is just so much easier to use with my brush. Some concealers are a bit too thick, so it takes longer to blend out. I don't know, I've just got used to using foundation for my eyebrows. And personally, I can spend up to 15 to 20 minutes just doing my eyebrows because eyebrows really do shape your face. So spending a little bit extra time to do your eyebrows can really change your whole face game. And I love using this Real Techniques detailing brush. It just gets perfectly into the creases and cracks of my eyebrows. And then of course I blend all of that out with a damp makeup sponge. I am super proud of that. Did you guys even catch that transition? Okay, my eyebrows are nice and concealed and blended out. It is time to set them. Please don't laugh at my broken powder. It fell down and cracked and I've chosen to move past it. But yes, I gently pat that down into the concealed part of my eyelids in preparation for applying my eyeshadow. Now if you've watched my previous makeup tutorials, you know that I absolutely love my two Morphe palette. These are literally what I use almost on a daily basis. They just have all the perfect colours that I would ever need. I never really wear bright colours, so I love glitters and neutral tones. Now when it comes to my eyeshadow, I have hooded eyes, so I basically do the exact same eyeshadow almost every time, just with different colours, because I found what works for my eye shape, and if it ain't broke then don't fix it, and that's basically what I do with my eyeshadow. My eyeshadow is super simple, basically just a transition shade, a darker crease colour and a lighter colour for my eyelid, and then blend that all in together. I will say because of my hooded eyes, I do try to create a crease just above my natural crease so that it gives the illusion of a crease even though I have hooded eyes. You could say I low-key attempted a cut crease here without the cut, but honestly that's a reach, so let me not even get into that. I recently switched over to using gel eyeliner and I absolutely love it. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. I did my eyeliner off camera because honestly I didn't need that stress today. Doing eyeliner on camera is just a whole other mission on its own and I was not prepared to take that risk. And then it's time for mascara. I did previously mention in one of my videos that I don't really wear false lashes anymore because I think they're just too big for my face. I then decided I needed a little bit more sparkle. So I tried to add in some shimmer eyeshadow in the corner of my eye. I low-key regret it. I don't know, let me know what you think, but I feel like it takes away from the original eyeshadow look. But I needed some extra glitz and glam to my look, so that's what I did. And if you notice, a little bit of the eyeshadow fell on my eyelashes, but we move on to foundation. So I'm using my all-time favorite foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 356, I think. That's Warm Coconut. And I usually like to blend it out with a brush and then go in with a sponge because it wastes less product. But I don't know why recently I've just been going straight in with the sponge. And then for concealer or my under eye highlights, I like to use the Maybelline Eraser Concealer in the shade 7. I think it's called Warm Sand or something like that. And I only apply that on my nose and my under eye because if I applied that anywhere else, it would just ruin my makeup and be too light. And the same way I set my eyelids with the powder, I do that for my under eye and anywhere else that I apply the concealer. I've really come to learn that less is more, and for me, baking is a no-go. It leaves my under eyes really dry. Even though I have oily skin, it really dries out my under eyes. I like to just gently pat it into the skin. To set my entire face, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder, and I like to use a big fluffy and soft brush to pat that all in. And I also go under my under eye to reduce the brightness. Then taking the darker powder, I guess you could say I powder contour. And using literally just a shimmer eyeshadow, I like to add a little bit of highlight to my nose and my cheekbones. So we're almost done. Moving on to my lips. I do the same lip combo literally every single time. If you watch back my videos, you will see it is almost the same lip routine. I don't really like any other colors on my lips except from brown. So this is basically just brown lip liner, a nude liquid lipstick, and a clear gloss on top. Okay, so finally, to finish off the look, I spritz my face with a setting spray. And for me, setting sprays are absolutely essential. I feel like it helps bring my face together and bring some color back into my face. This is the final look of my realistic, non-professional glam, and I really hope you enjoyed. And this is me just quickly showing you my nails because I did them myself, so don't ask why they are so short and thick. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!